Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about the file system of Oracle application 11i. So let's start with an AppleTop. So AppleTop, it is the heart of the Oracle application. To summarize, it's a combination of code technology files, product related files, environmental files and configuration files. AppleTop has environmental files, admin, FND, AU, AD and product related files. Under environmental files, we have total 5 env files in Oracle application eBusiness suite. That is located in 902 Oracle Home, IIS Oracle Home, 806 Oracle Home, AppleTop and apps consolidated environmental file which is located in AppleTop admin. Next is that code technology files. Under code technology files, it comes admin. The files which are helpful for upgradation, installation and maintenance activity. It includes adverse.env. This specifies locations of various Java files, HTML files and it is called by contextfile.env. Then we have adconfig.txt, configuration files for AD utilities. If missing, we cannot run AD utilities. Then apps consolidated environmental file. Then we have the XML file which is called the context file. Next is appletop.cert which is known as the site level certification file. The top file.txt provides information about the product installs and lists the product top for each product. Finally, we have the addall.defaults which has default values related to AD utilities followed by two tasks. Under two tasks we have log, out, restart. The next code technology files will be the FND. This directory contains scripts and programs which are used as foundation for application product to build their data dictionary, forms and C object libraries. Under FND directory, we have FND Libia, that is a program for concurrent manager. FND CPath manages password for Oracle eBusiness suite. FND FS default text viewer for viewing log and output files. FND SM executable and core component for GSM. We have StartMGR for starting the concurrent manager. Under FND Secure, we have a file known as a DBA file. This is known as database connectivity file. It is used for login operation. It checks the credentials of user for login operations. It consists of the database hostname, port number, guest user ID and password. Then we have the application utility files. The product files are consolidated in a single location. The AD is a directory which contains installation and maintenance utilities like AD patch, AD admin, AD ctrl, AD splice, AD ident, AD BLD XML that is used to rebuild the corrupted XML files and AD Java to generate the Java files. The product related files, the directories that we have are admin, bin, forms, help, HTML, lib, log, out. So this is about AppleTop. Now let's discuss about the common top. The common top, the files which are commonly being used by all the products. Inside common top we have admin, HTML, Java, portal, temp, util, underscore pages. So what is an admin? That is located inside common top. It is the default location for concurrent manager log and output files. It contains log, out and also scripts. Contains scripts to start and stop services of Oracle application. So the scripts that are there in common top admin scripts are ADAPCCTL that are used to start Apache, then scripts to start listener, concurrent manager, forms, reports, and start all to stop all the components, stop all to stop all the components. We have install inside common top admin that contains scripts and log file used by rapid install to install Oracle application. It also contains ADGen DBC. If we lose the DBC file, this is used to regenerate the files. Assistance holds supportive files. Then we have HTML under common top. It contains Oracle application HTML pages such as JSP pages, Java pages, XML pages, which are commonly be used by all the product. Under HTML we have bin and we have appsweb.cfg. It is called the Forms Web CGI configuration file. It contains the server name, the port number, the domain name, the connection mode and the JInitiator version. Connection mode are of two types. We have the socket mode. In this mode, when a user submits a web request for forms-based pages, the request received by web server and processed to forms server. The very next time, when that particular user submits a request for a forms-based pages, the request directly received by the forms server and the output is also displayed in the same way. Hence, performance is fast, but security is less, that is default in level 9. We have servlet mode. In this mode, each and every time user sends a request for forms pages, it's processed through the web server. Then we have the Java directory. It is a directory that holds third-party Java files used by Oracle application. The portal, it contains online help pages. It acts as a web server cache. It also has some files like index.html, appslogin.html, appslist.html, etc., which is used for logging operations. Then we have the util that contains the third-party utilities like JRE, JDK and zip. So we have done with the Apple top and the common top. Now we will discuss about the IIS Oracle Home. It contains the environmental file, then it contains the Apache bin. Under Apache we also have config. Over there we have httpd.conf, apps.conf, httpd_pls.conf. These are the configuration files for Apache. This is an interview question. What are the configuration files that we get in Apache? So we need to see these three. httpd.conf, apps.conf, httpd_pls.conf. The next we have the log directories. Here we have the error log file and the access log file. Any issues related to Apache we need to check here. Third one we have is IIS Oracle Home, Apache JServe etc. JServe.properties and zone.properties. Configuration files related to JServe and zone.properties they are also the configuration files related to JServe. So JServe and zone are the configuration files for JServe. Next we have IIS Oracle Home, Apache mod PLSQL CFG. Over there we have wdb_sbr.app. It is used by the mod PLSQL part of the Apache to connect to the database. It contains the app's password. Number 4 we have network admin and the TNS details. When connect to web server, it needs to connect to the database. Web server should know the location name of the database. tnsnames.ora provides the information. After this we have the 6i server bin and inside it we have the F60gen. This is used to generate the forms executable. The JVM log files are located in IIS Oracle Home, Apache, JServe, log, JVM directory. However, the JServe log files are located in IIS Oracle Home, Apache, JServe log. Now we will discuss about the 806 Oracle Home. The 806 Oracle Home, we have the form60_server, that is the startup script for form server. Then we have the report60 server CGI cmd.dat, that is the configuration files for report server. Finally, we have the network admin and the TNS name and the listener.ora. So this is for the application side, and now let's discuss on the database tier, the file system in the database tier. On the database tier, we have the first thing, SID data. Over here, we have the CRD files. So what are CRD files? That is the control files, the data files, and the read log files. We have SID DB. Over here we have the Oracle home. Then we have the admin, the DBA, the network, and the apps util. Under admin we have the B, C, and the utum, and under DBS we have the SP file, that is init or the P file, init.sid.ora. On the network we have the TNS names and the listener's name. Finally, we have the apps util directory. Under apps util directory we have scripts. The scripts that are used to start and stop the database and the listeners, like addbctl.sh, addstop.sql, addalnctl.sh. We also have log and out directory. So in this tutorial we have learned about the Apple top, the common top, the IS Oracle home, 826 Oracle home, and the file system of the database tier. Thank you.